Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge 30, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible on your screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, this will give us this pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and the delete option. Once you wait a second, it disappears, and that screenshot can be found in the Photos application. So I'm going to quickly open it up, and there we go. As you can see, there's my screenshot. It's even labeled screenshot. Once you click on it, obviously you can view it. So that is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.